We all fall short.
The question is, are we still walking toward Christ? Let's talk about that. This is Nightwave Radio, no chaser. I'm Jason J. Knight.
And sitting across from my brother Jason, I'm your co-host with the most, Flip Diesel.
Flip, you're hitting it right. Because this isn't just about pointing fingers at the world. This is about us owning our own growth.
See, that's real right there.
Yeah. Because all of us are going to get it wrong sometimes. We're all going to miss it. Romans 3:23 says, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God." That means nobody gets to stand here acting like they nailed this perfectly.
But people still worry about judgment and whether they've done enough.
I get that. 2 Corinthians 5:10 says we all must appear before the judgment seat of Christ. That's real. But God isn't asking us to fake perfection. He's asking us to be honest, humble, and willing to keep turning back toward Him.
So what does that actually look like?
It looks like bringing your real self to Jesus. No hiding, no pretending, just saying, "Lord, I got that wrong. Help me walk right. Help me stay close."
So it's not just saying sorry, it's staying connected.
Exactly. It's relationship. It's surrender. The question isn't, have I ever failed? It's, after I fall, am I still moving toward Christ?
Because some people think one mistake means it's over.
No. One mistake shouldn't make you run from God. It should make you run to Him. Micah 6:8 says, to walk humbly with your God, this life isn't about looking perfect. It's about walking honestly every day. Maybe today you don't move a mile. Maybe it's just a mustard seed. One prayer, one step. But keep walking. Grace isn't permission to drift. It's an invitation to stay close.
So the real question isn't, did I ever get it wrong? It's, am I still walking toward Christ?
Exactly. This is Nightwave Radio. Stay awake, stay anchored, share, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next broadcast. This is Nightwave Radio broadcasting from the edge of the court. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs a little courage tonight, and we'll see you on the next broadcast.